So clients, friends, everyone I know, I think at some point has asked me, how in the world can condos at the Optima Camelview, one community, range from $445 a square foot to $1,100 a square foot, but be within this one big city block? What do you tell people when they ask you that?
Optima is an amazing community with over 700 units in the community with, I'm sure you'll agree, no two floor plans are the same.
No, it's crazy. I think I've been in over 100 units, as I'm sure you have.
Easy.
And they've all been different. Every time something is different about that.
They're very different. And over the years, the upgrades are, some of them are actually jaw-dropping.
100%.
Yes. And so I think that the key for someone coming into Optima is to hire a professional that understands how to navigate around Optima, that understands the community and how the HOA works, and knows the folks even at the concierge that can help you, and then understands the importance of what level are you on, what direction are you facing, how big is your patio. Those are just a couple of things.
I'll say that's just like tip of the iceberg on what you really need to know about this community when you're making a decision to make an offer and where to even start.
It is so important to have someone who understands the Optima community. But before I get into too many of those details, we would love to show you some of the nuances we've been talking about to give you a better idea of what you're going to be looking at.
As you just saw, there are a ton of different factors that play into the pricing of condos here at Optima Camelview.
If you'd like to know more about Optima Camelview or perhaps have a personal tour, give us a call. Or better yet, give me a call and I'd be happy to be your personal tour guide. I'm Julie Jarmiolowski.
And I'm Andrea Lilienfeld. And we're with the 𝐒𝐜𝐨𝐿 Group, powered by my home group out of Scottsdale, Arizona.